So here we say that why improvement is required in every field. If we say that we go in every field of life, the improvement is required. So sometimes we stays on that few things that were backside. So if we believe on that nowadays, so that would be not, because every person, if we will not work with technologies, what is coming today, and like many times your life can be destroyed. If we say that if anything give us advantage, so just take the advantage. Why we don't want to take advantage? Like if we say there's a schooling system, so there are some development in school system. Until we don't make development, like we said that before, like at not our age, at the age of our parents and grandparents, Punjabi was allowed in school. And what was the compulsory? That was the highest education at that time was matric at my grandfather's time. When my father said that when I came, so that was maybe FSC or after SFSC, whose person has studied FSC, he was known a very good person. So after that, if we say that in our time, so the priority is changed, so all is priority change. So no, we need higher education to get something, and to be in any field of life. Obviously, education is very important thing to have that, but sometimes we need to improve. We need improvement in our schooling system, and the system, like whenever we say system, there was beating system. So this is that with beating student will learn. But first this quality what the student will get from beating, that is that they will lose their confidence. And when a student lose his or her confidence, it means that he is unsuccessful in every field of life. For example, we say that a student from 3 class or anyway, he was very good, but he lost his confidence just due to of that strictness and just due to of that by how teachers beat to kids. So in his future, obviously, he have to grow up. So if we go for any interview, he will maybe he know everything, but he would be unable. Why? That is just due to confidence. And who take the like the confidence is snatched from the kids. They feel that confidence would be everyone. Everyone is having confidence. So when the kids, when the teachers beat to the kids, when they are in fear, so the confidence is snatched from that kid. And when the confidence is snatched, they are not in. Next, in other schools, we say that if until we don't learn new technologies, we say that English, Urdu, math just enough here. So if we don't learn computer, if we don't go in AI, so sometime, many time you get into the administration, you are anywhere. So sometimes you got fraud, anything could be happen. So that is must that you should know AI, what's the technology, what's going on. So now this is that. Any type in your life you need the AI, because AI mobile phone technology is a need of every person in every life. If you are not having technology or AI in your life, so it's not mean that you are a person who's standing with society. So we say that society is bad, but if you say don't adopt that bad habits, so we casually adopt the good habit. Obviously, when anything is there, that is anything that is a eating thing, living thing, we say society. So if society people are giving you a bad image, it's that they would give you a good image also, because there are two type of person. This is that there are 5 fingers in his hand and their 5 fingers are not equal. So every person is not equal. If one person is giving bad. Like bad thing to you, so don't accept that. Accept that what he is giving you a good thing when you learn a lesson from him, so accept that good lesson. So in our daily life, change is very important. Until we don't change ourselves, if we stand there, if we say that I start moving, so I stand on first step, so it's impossible. Like whenever if I want success, so I have to cross the last step. Until I don't, if I stand on first step, I stand 1 year, I stand 2 year, I stand whole of my life. So until you don't move forward, until you don't do anything, it's not possible that you will learn or you will do something or you will go front in your life. So you need to be moving. If you will move in your life, you will learn more things. So until you will not learn, you will not get idea that's what's going on. And what's going on, you need to work with the society. If you go outside anywhere, so anything happens, so you should be just known or just be alerted for that. So in our school, that improvement is required in every field, and we should bring improvement. Like today, what's that our youth, like the people after us who are no Gen Z, they are not getting job. So at this age, which are we age, in the class of 6, 7, 8, we should, the school should tell us how to learn. how to learn and earn. Sometimes the kids we say that if next we are having concept of job, you work too hard, too hard, too hard, and at last what you consider, you are sometime going here, you are sometime going there just for job, that I should get a 30 to 20K job in which like even your home expenses, even you cannot take your expenses. So why not school should teach kids how to do business, that kids should earn not 20K or 30K, they should earn 20 to 30 lakh per month. So that can happen if we bring change in our schooling system, if we tell the things that what to be happen or what not to be happen.